Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to tell you where are the drafts are saved in your Instagram. First, go to your Instagram app. Then click on your profile and click on plus icon on the top corner and click on post. Here select any media you want to select and click on next. Again click on next. Add some caption. And on the bottom there is an option of save draft. Click on that and your reel is saved to draft. Now click on this reel icon alongside the post or swipe. Here you can see our all draft reels are saved here. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel and we will see you in our next video.